In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 healthy smoothies that taste like dessert. First up, we are going to make this strawberry cheesecake smoothie, then a chocolate peanut butter and banana smoothie, a blueberry muffin smoothie, a Oceanside, which is like pineapple and coconut type of smoothie, and my cinnamon roll smoothie. So let's get started. First up is our strawberry cheesecake smoothie. This smoothie happens to be in my cookbook, the Clean Treats cookbook, but today I'm gonna share it with you because it's delicious. First up is our unsweetened vanilla almond milk. We're gonna put it in the blender. Then we're gonna put a banana. Now bananas, you can use really red bananas or the bananas in your freezer. Strawberries, a little bit of lemon juice. Now that's optional, but I really like the tang, just like you would eat it in a cheesecake. It really gives that. And then some cashews. Cashews are going to give it a thicker texture, but also it's almost like the cheesecake crust. If you don't have cashews, you can use oats. And finally, a little bit of ice just to make it thick and really chilled. Let's check it out. All right, so that's our strawberry cheesecake smoothie. Next up is this chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. I almost forgot what was in it. So first up is, again, our almond milk. Unsweetened almond milk is what I'm using in here. If you use regular milk, use that too. Then I'm gonna add a banana, whether you use fresh banana or frozen banana, because I know you guys have been freezing a lot of bananas, putting them in the freezer, and then you forget about them. So those bananas work great. Plus, they tend to be a lot sweeter. Then I have cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, same thing you would use to make brownies or cookies that goes in our smoothie. I have oats right here. The oats are gonna make this smoothie more nutritious, also thicker, and that's why I also like the smoothie for breakfast, because it's one and done. So oats, old-fashioned or quick oats, all work here. Then our peanut butter. I have natural peanut butter here, that's smooth, and ice. All right, let's check it out. Next up is our blueberry muffin smoothie. It is the perfect recipe to get those greens into a smoothie, and yet it doesn't look like a green smoothie. This is one that my family really likes. First up, our almond milk again, but if you use regular milk, that works too. Now I've got some frozen blueberries here that I always keep in my freezer for smoothies. This is gonna make it a little bit thicker as well. But if fresh is all you have, use fresh. Have some shredded unsweetened coconut, a little bit of vanilla, because you'd add that to your muffin batter as well. Now I'm gonna use some almond butter right into my blender. Okay, so I'm adding some vanilla protein powder to the smoothie, but if you want to omit the vanilla protein powder, you can totally do that. And then some spinach leaves. You can also use kale here, fresh, frozen, whatever you throw in your smoothies. Let's give it a blend. Purple, delicious. You'd never know you've got a serving of veggies in there. A quick tip, if you're wondering how many blender bases do I have, I actually have 3, but the point is that a quick, easy way to clean up your blender jar is to put water, a little bit of soap, and give it a go. One more. This is our Oceanside smoothie. It's what I would envision drinking seaside with sand in my toes. And it's also inside of my cookbook, the Clean Treats cookbook. So let's add a can of coconut milk. We're also gonna add a banana for thickness. Now you can use fresh or frozen banana. Again, I'm that person that has a whole bag of lots of bananas in my freezer at home, not at the studio. And then we are gonna add some shredded unsweetened coconut. This, my friends, is essential for this smoothie recipe. Some frozen pineapple is what we love here, but if you have fresh, use that too. Some almond butter, some vanilla extract, and ice. Okay, my friends, let's check this one out. It's thicker, smells delicious. So good. Now, if you're the kind of person that loves to pack smoothies to go, You can obviously put this in a double insulated container and take it with you in the morning or after a workout. But I also have a video on this channel on how to pack a smoothie for lunch. So if you want to bring a smoothie to your office or your school lunch, make sure you check that video out. Our final smoothie for today is what I call a cinnamon roll smoothie. I have a video on this channel just for fun that it's just for the smoothie, but I couldn't make a compilation of the best smoothie recipes that my family loves and I know you're just gonna love without this smoothie recipe. So back up, we have almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. Again, use your favorite. Now the recipe does call for a tiny bit of brown sugar or honey. You can use it or omit it. Especially if your bananas are really green, definitely add a little bit of sweetener. Fresh or frozen bananas go in the blender. A little bit of vanilla. What are cinnamon rolls without a little bit of baked vanilla taste? What's gonna make this smoothie really thick and give it that dough-like taste is our oats in the blender. A little bit of cinnamon, okay, and ice. Let's check it out. Those recipes were so easy, right? I mean, strawberry, peanut butter and chocolate, blueberry muffins, Oceanside, cinnamon roll. I mean, there is something for everyone in this video. And of course, if you want to make a big blender and if you're maybe just yourself and you want to make an entire batch, don't go ahead and half the recipe. Just make the full recipe and freeze your smoothies. I show you how in this video and below in the description, and you'll also find the freezer jars for your smoothie as well. See you guys next time.